Crunchified Clean friends, thanks for checking out my video. First off, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are on so you can see when I post more cleaning videos on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different stainless steel sinks and the products that I use to clean them. So check the video, see how they both work on 2 stainless steel sinks that are all dirty and grimy. They get a lot of wear and tear because it's one of my commercial clients. They do landscaping, they deal with a lot of dirt, hard water buildup, just everyday use. First off, you have the Scrub Daddy Power Erase Gel, how it's eco-friendly and I didn't need gloves to clean with it. Ew. Damn. It comes right off in seconds. And I'm not wearing gloves because it's eco-friendly. Yeesh. Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. And Barkeeper's Friend, which is a great acidic foaming cleanser. It is recommended that you use gloves because it is acidic, but it does a great job in removing hard water stains. Barkeeper's friend, use my link down below to grab it. If you see that link down below, grab it with my link. I will earn commission. So thank you very much. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Like, comment, love, share. Let me know what you think. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.